everyone, hope you're doing good. So in this video I'll show you how to set up an Amazon household. So first go to this link, amazon.com, and go top accounts and lists, then accounts, and go here in the center your Amazon family. Now we can click on the plus icon to add a new member, and here we can choose, are we an adult or a child. We can then either link two separate accounts or create a profile in your account, which if we do the second one, we'll just click create and give it a name, then hit create. Alternatively, if we click on link, for the two separate accounts we need to put in the name of the person we want to invite and their email address, and then tap continue. We can agree to share payments methods. Alternatively, we can just skip it like what I will do, and then we just need to send them the invite, and that's it for now. So thank you for watching this video, and do not forget to like and subscribe this video, and we'll be happy to answer your questions that you can leave in the comments.